Welcome to a world full of fun, laughter, and energy. Today, we're visiting the playground, where children are running, jumping, sliding, and playing all sorts of exciting games. From the swings to the sandbox, from tag to hide and seek, there's never a dull moment. So come along and enjoy the joy of playtime. Look at the kids having so much fun on the seesaw. Up and down they go, taking turns to lift each other into the air. It's all about balance, teamwork, and big smiles. Now it's slide time. Watch the children climb up high and zoom down with joy and laughter. What a fun ride from top to bottom. Here come the swings. The kids are flying back and forth, feeling the breeze on their faces. Higher and higher they go, like little birds in the sky. Now it's time for the rainbow bars. Look how strong and brave the kids are as they climb across, one bar at a time. Hand over hand, they swing and smile on this colorful adventure. Get ready for a spin on the merry-go-round. Round and round the children go, laughing and holding on tight. It's a whirlwind of giggles, speed, and fun. Welcome to the Sandbox. Here, little hands are busy building castles, digging tunnels, and making sandy creations. It's a place where imagination comes to life. Time to dive into the ball pit. The kids are jumping, rolling, and giggling in a sea of bright, bouncy balls. It's a splash of color and endless fun. Next up is the tire dome. Watch the kids climb, crawl, and balance on the sturdy tires. It's the perfect place for little explorers to play and discover. Hold on tight, it's spring horse time. Watch the kids bounce back and forth, riding like little cowboys and cowgirls. With every wiggle and giggle, the fun keeps going. Here we have the dome climber. Kids are climbing up, over, and through the bars, testing their strength and courage. It's a mini mountain full of adventure and smiles. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing all the fun games and happy faces at the playground. See you next time for more adventures.